This video is about creating this dummy battery. It's a AA. The reason I'm making this dummy batteries is to use it along with lithium-ion batteries, that is 3.7 volts. And because you can use two of those in a normal setup, I use the dummy with one of those. This video is all about creating and printing on a 3D printer, and then assembling the parts so that I can have the dummy battery at the end. If there is any questions, you're welcome to leave a comment and I can answer it for you. Thank you. Remember to subscribe and follow my channel. Have a good day.